going to go ahead and get started as far as telling you why we ask for new documents every single year, no matter how long you've been getting your taxes done with us. So for one, when you come in the tax office, you should come prepared. The basic documents that you will need to get your taxes prepared is one, your a valid picture ID, and that's for us to be able to identify who you are, because people can act like people all the time. Two, your social security card. Now, in order for us to file out, in most cases, we don't need your social security card. We might need it for to do the bank apps, to do loans, those types of things. But as far as sending your actual tax return out, we don't necessarily need your social security card. It's a good business practice for us to have your social security card, but we don't necessarily need it. I like to have them, one, because a lot of times people do not write the name that's on their social security card down. They cut the name off or abbreviate the name, or they go by what the name that they're calling someone. Or you might have gotten, like for women, you might have gotten married and you changed your last name and your social security card is not the same, or you got divorced and you went back to your maiden name. It's a lot of different reasons why we need your social security card. And so the information has to be entered into the IRS database in reference to whatever your social security card has, not what your driver license have or your ID say. It has to be entered in just like your social security card, and if it's not, then we get rejects. Of course, your tax documents. So if you work for someone, we need your W-2s. If you're a small business owners, we need like a spreadsheet with your income and your expenses on it. Some people might say bank statements. Bank statements are a good business practice to have. For me, I don't want all that. I would like to see it if you have it, but for me, I just want a detailed spreadsheet or report, a cash out reports, Square reports, PayPal report, any type of reports, and reference QuickBook reports in reference to what you brought in and what you had coming out as far as your different expenses. If you withdraw money from your 401k, we need your 1099-R. If you went to school, we need your 1098-T. If you own a home, we need your 1098. So we just need any tax documents in reference to your actual file for that particular year. It's a myth that people think that they can't actually go back 3 years and file their taxes. You're supposed to file your taxes every single year. The 3-year thing is about you have 3 years to file your taxes to get a refund. And if you don't file your taxes within those 3 years and you do a refund after the 3rd year, the IRS will not issue you a refund. You cannot put your 2021 W-2s on your 2022 taxes. Every tax return has to be for that particular current tax year. So a lot of people get it misconstrued that you can add your W-2s up and put them on the following year, and that's just not how it works. You have to file for every particular tax year. So making sure you just bring your documents in. But the real reason why we as tax pros, it don't matter. Like my clients come in, they be mad that they have to fill out documents again. They be mad because they have to give me their ID. They be mad. They just be mad about anything that I make them have to do the work. But the crazy part about it is, what y'all don't realize or y'all might not be aware of is the fact that we can get fined if our paperwork is not in order. We have this thing called due diligence that the IRS have